going through some of the hardest economic times in my lifetime, and at a time when this state is taking drastic steps to make New York more affordable so that people can live, raise a family, and start a business, and at a time when this state has terminated people's jobs to put our finances back in order. To stand here and say that the program will not cost the taxpayers of this state money once this legislature has the opportunity to steer away from the basics as prescribed by the federal government and creates the Cadillac of exchanges is beyond belief. The elections of 2008 were referenced here today. Well, I remember the election of 2010. In the last election, Obamacare was rejected by the people. Now that Obamacare is being challenged in the Supreme Court, through this legislation, the majority is attempting to give us backdoor Obamacare in anticipation of being found unconstitutional in the federal court. The people have soundly rejected Obamacare, and I will not support forcing a backdoor form of Obamacare upon the people of this state. For that reason, I will be voting in the negative.